Hello children, today we learn to construct question number 6 of exercise 11.2. Right? So our first step is let ABC be a right triangle in which AB, BC and angle B is given. That means in your first step you have to draw the right triangle. Okay? Now see. BC is 8 centimeters. So first of all you have to draw BC here. Right? Name it as BC, 8 centimeter. Then with B as center, angle B is 90 degree given. So with B as center, draw an angle of 90 degree. With B as center, draw an angle of 90 degree. $60 arc, then 120, then with 60 degree and 120 degree draw two arcs, right? And then join them. Right? Then BA is given 6 centimeters. So measure it using ruler. See, 6. This. Measure it like this. Right. Then with B as center and radius equal to 6, draw an arc. Name this vertex as A. AB is 6 centimeter. Join A to C. A to C. So ABC is right angled at B. First step done. Then second is you have to draw BD perpendicular to AC. So with B as center, right, and with suitable radius, draw an arc like this which intersect AC in two distinct points. Then with these two distinct points, draw an arc from this point and draw another from this point, right? Yes. Then join them. Join this point of intersection with this B. Like this. Now this line intersect AC at D. This point of intersection we name it as D. BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay. So second step done. Then third step is you have to draw the circle passes through these three vertices B, D and C. Right? So this is a right triangle and you have to draw a circle which passes through these vertices. As it is right triangle, so the center of the circle lies on the midpoint of the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. So to locate its midpoint, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Right? So taking more than half, draw two arcs like this, above and below BC using C as center, and make it bigger. Right, and with B as center again draw two arcs. Then join these two arcs, 1, 2. Join them to locate the midpoint of BC. Name it as O. Right? This is your bisector. This is the bisector of BC. which intersect the BC at a point, name it as O. Then with O as center and radius equal to OD. OD, OB and OC you can take. Okay, you can take OD with O as center and radius equal to either OD, OB and OC. Draw a circle like this. Right? So this is a circle, passes through B, C and D. Then our third step done. First step, we have drawn this right triangle. Second step, BD is perpendicular to AC. Third step, circle drawn through B, C and D. Fourth step, you have to draw tangents from this external point A to this circle. So what is the procedure in that case? You have to join A to the center of the circle. जिस point से हमें tangents बनानी होती थी और जिस circle पे बनानी होती थी उसके center से हम उस point को join करते हैं. So this point O and this is A. Join A. Okay. Second step, draw the perpendicular bisector of OA. Again, same concept. More than half you can take of the line segment and draw two arcs. 1, 2. And with A as center in a similar manner. 1, 2. So this is, you have to make it bigger arc. Okay. Now see. 1 and 2. See. ये आपके दो आर्क्स लगाइए और यहाँ, ठीक है. तो दिस इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ OA. सो यू हैव टू जॉइन दिस डॉट विद दिस. आपका बाइसेक्टर बन गया. ओके. सो दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ OA. देन विद M as center and radius equal to MA. Radius equal to MA. Either MA or MO. आप जितनी मर्जी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. And draw a circle. तो by coincidence, this circle passes through. Wait. B. Luckily, बाकी आपका ये circle ऐसे draw हो जाएगा. Right? So this new circle intersect the previous circle. Slightly this we have to rub it off. Right? This new circle intersect the previous circle at B and this point. See. Name it as P. And this is already B. Okay, then join A to B and A to P. A to B is already joined, but slight you have to produce this line so that it looks like a tangent. Okay, produce it. Then join A to P. A to P. So AB and AP are the required tangents drawn to the given circle. Thanks.